What?
Look, the river's higher.
Is it?
Yeah.
Can't see.
Higher than what it was when we came down here the first time.
Years ago, back in '92, this is where the legend of MR.H began. One summer night, right? The car parked up here. Teenagers on the bridge. Well, not teenagers because I was driving. All sat there in the car. Music on, doors open, smoking and drinking. All have a laugh and stuff. And then just over there, whilst I was laughing and joking, someone said, "What's that? It's a fucking ghost." And they all looked and went, "What?" And watched it come and point with the torch. It came over there, across that side of the bank, down by the water's edge, and it walked, well, glided all the way across here. And at this point, there was like, "Fucking run!" So they all jumped back in the car, fucking shitting themselves, sped off. When they got back home, they was all shitting themselves. And I talked about it for a bit, discussed it, and then as word got out about it, you know, as stories do, as time goes by, it gets changed, and you know, things like that, people exaggerate things. This is the area where the legend of MR.H began back in the 90s. Spooky. Fucking spooky. Fucking ghost shit and everything around here. But remember guys, the legend of MR.H originated in '92, right in this area. People spoke about it ever since and shit themselves to this day. Yeah.